The chapter Vision is about understanding how the visual perception works. After having worked through the material of this chapter, you will know that visual perception starts with the receptor cells of the eyes, but then there is lots of information processing taking place already in the eye in order to cope with a vast amount of information. In addition to those bottom-up perceptual strategies, top-down strategies implementing the Gestalt rules help a visual scene understanding. Depth perception is based on monocular and binocular cues, and the reading process is a nonlinear temporal scanning and fixation process.